Hello everyone, welcome to Aljo. In today's video, I am going to talk about some resource related community who is going to change your career path, who is going to help a lot if you love WordPress, if you want to become WordPress developer. Now I'm going to start with one community. Can you imagine how much time they're serving for the community? That Facebook group serving 10 years. So last 10 years they're serving for WordPress community. Beside this, at the end of this video, I'll share some related resource, Facebook group and social community that's going to help you a lot in your career. Let's start the main video with our first group. First of all, let's move to our website and let's dig the article that we are going to share. This is Awesome WordPress Bangladesh. Basically, if you're someone who are from Bangladesh and love WordPress, then this article may help you a lot. Moving forward, this Facebook community I'm going to talk about, that is WordPress Bangladesh Facebook community. The link is given inside this article. You can simply open from here. But before moving to the community, let's dig little bit more about the community. So the service WordPress Bangladesh offers, this is basically unpaid service. So the members are sharing WordPress related resource regularly, like free theme, plugin, then article. Then if you have some problem, you can get the solution from this group. Beside this, sometimes they offer some meetups. So if you like WordPress and if you want to know who are the people behind Bangladeshi WordPress community, you can join those meetup, and the information is available on that group. Moving forward, you will get some job offer related WordPress in this Facebook community. So if you are a WordPress developer, theme developer or plugin developer, then you may get your desired job from this WordPress Bangladesh Facebook community. Let's move to the community group. So this is the Facebook community group WordPress Bangladesh, and if I check their history from about, so you can see this group has been created in 24 December 2010. It's been 11 years now. I started with 10 years, but see, since it's started from 2010, so it's been 11 years. They have mentorship offer, guidance, announcements, room, topic, and some other files that related to WordPress, which will help you in your career. Now I'm going to share some more Facebook group that may help you. One is internship and jobs in Bangladesh. This is basically for the young people who are looking for job. This group already has 30,000 members, and this is a super fast growing Facebook community in Bangladesh. Now the next one, Aljo Facebook community. You know, Aljo is the ultimate destination. The website I'm showing, this is the ultimate destination for WordPress related resource. We are sharing a lot of resource. You can check the community and join today to learn more about WordPress. If you like JavaScript, then JS Bangladesh, it's a Facebook community for you. The next one is Galib Notes. This is basically for Bangladeshi people who love computer science, who are from computer science background or who want to be software engineer. We have a nice website, you can visit there, but the website content is all in Bangla. So if you are abroad, if you don't know Bangla language, definitely you will not enjoy the website. So that's all about WordPress Bangladesh video. If you want to know the updated Facebook community and the updated news, the article link is available in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you.